As you know that Gcam is one of the most powerful and most valuable software in the world right now, especially the camera section. Gcam is very popular and it produced better image quality and better image processing, especially the night photography is quite impressive on the Gcam, which is powered by Google. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna help you how to download best Gcam on your compatible device. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first thing you need to know about the Gcam is not available directly on the Play Store. You need to download one apps more. That is, first things you need to download Gcamator. Gcamator is a free software which you will find in Google Play Store. After open it, you can check it your camera to appear is enabled or not. If your device support Gcam, this was enabled on your device. If your device appear is not enabled this, that will means that you cannot using Gcam at all. So if your device is compatible to using Gcam, you can just search your user model and find out the best compatible Gcam software on your device. So please check out and download and install it. After downloading process is quite slower than the other download process because of the Gcamator software server is not so fast as well, but it will work. After downloading, you can use your Gcam software for free. As side-by-side compare, Gcam is more powerful than the stock camera processing, and the image processing system is quite good enough to the Gcam software. And on the other hand, the stock camera is pretty normal, which will provide it on your phone system. But when you using Gcam software, especially on the night mode, main difference between the stock and the Gcam camera. So the better image processing, you need to download the Gcam software. You can use the stabilization mode, especially when your video and audio will shaky, and you can use Gcam software not only that but also using more option, and you could not find it on the stock camera as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. See you next time. Good day.